Ang surprise visitor ng Starstruck 1110. May surprise din para sa mga survivors. May mahanap kaya siyang skeleton sa closet ng survivors? Find out here on Starstruck Shoutout. Ika-4 na araw ng top 7 survivors sa Starstruck 1110. Nang isang surprise visitor ang dumating, Starstruck host Raymond Gutierrez. Pero hindi lang ito simpleng pagbisita lang.
Wait, first, I really want to see the place. Who wants to give me a tour?
Ako po yung nag-tour sa kanya sa kwarto ng mga girls. Unang-una niya po napansin yung labahan ni Diva.
Di ba pinakamaraming labahan? Tingnan nyo naman yan.
Malinis po si Diva. Ngayon lang po siya medyo magulo.
Lahat to kay Sarah?
Hindi, dapat Diva ni Sarah po.
So may sarili na siyang kama, meron pa siyang sariling cabinet. Kumusta naman si Sarah?
Mukhang okay naman ang girls. Pero meron silang masasabi sa room ng boys.
Medyo
Mabaho yung mga gamit nila?
Hindi, pero para sa akin, mga pabango nila yun.
Parang masyadong strong yung smell.
Halo-halo. Yun na okay naman po gamit mo yun.
Ang room naman ng boys ang tinur ni Mon.
We're in the boys' room, Steven. Now, who sleeps where? Okay.
So the sleeping arrangement is like this. Ako,
Ikaw,
Ian, Rocco,
Enzo. Who moves around too much?
I think everybody except me.
Really?
You can see, like, sometimes I sit on the edge.
Okay.
And Rocco's like right here. But then when I wake up, they're like this. So I push them back. But then they still come back. So.
Do you ever find yourself almost falling?
Yeah.
Who snores?
Ian.
Kasi ako yung leader this week. Also singing, we showed him around the rooms, the CR, and just a quick tour. And then we talked to him, and so far so good.
Sa CR ng boys, may ganitong paraphernalia?
Who owns this? Right here. Enzo. Enzo, this is Enzo. Very good.
Nakakatawa pa kasi meron pang men's magazine pa nakita si Raymond sa CR. So tawa kami ng tawa kanina kung kanino yun.
And after the quick tour, Mon gets down to business.
Kung sabi mo daw na now more than ever you're gonna be more competitive. And you also mentioned that Enzo you think is your strongest competitor. Meron bang tensyong namumuo sa inyo ni Enzo? Napansin daw din also that Ian, you talk to Nina more often now. Matagal mo na raw crush si Nina. Why do you and Ian talk more often now? Yung wala na si Rox.
Abangan ang sagot sa mga tanong na yan. Plus ang premiere ng Starstruck Dreamflix. Starring the top 7 survivors in their dream role with co-stars na certified dugong artista. Bukas na yan, Sabado, after Pinoy Records. Starstruck 5. Dream, Believe, Survive.